everyone, this is Evelyn from EC Projects. I'm so excited to share with you this Tiki-inspired Tequila Tromba Reposado recipe called It's Always Sunny. The great thing about Tiki cocktails is that there's so many ingredients in it. However, all the ingredients play a really key role as to making the cocktail complex and fun and amazing to drink all the way through.
For this Tiki-inspired cocktail called It's Always Sunny, all you need is 4 ingredients. Pick a good Reposado tequila, and my choice is Tequila Tromba, a little bit of pineapple juice, some fresh squeezed lime juice, and the chili and cinnamon spiced carrot syrup that we've made in the other video. You can find the recipe on my website.
This is roughly based on kind of thinking about doing a earthy, savory take on a tiki style drink, starting with Tromba Reposado. So you're gonna take your shaker tin, and we're gonna pour a healthy pour of 2 ounces of Tromba Reposado. And then you're gonna take your beautiful chili and cinnamon spiced carrot honey and pour 3/4 ounces of that in your beverage. Followed by 3/4 ounces of pineapple juice to give it that really nice froth and round out the tropical elements. And then 3/4 ounces of fresh lime juice. The chili and cinnamon spice is going to bring out that beautiful kind of woodsy herbal quality of Tequila Tromba Reposado, and the oakiness, like the toastiness, is going to round out the cocktail really nicely. We're going to give all of this a really good shake. I like using a cobbler shaker for anything that I think needs like a really good froth. I'm gonna pour it into your lovely tiki mug. I love drinking out of a giant tiki mug. So we're gonna fill it back up with ice. Now you want to leave a little bit of room in the middle because you're going to take that lime husk that you used previously. We're going to reuse, recycle, put it through a skewer and secure it to the glass. And then you're going to pour a little bit more Tromba in the middle of the lime husk. A little falls in the glass, a little falls in the glass. That's totally fine. And then we're going to light it on fire. And then while that's on, you want to grate a little bit of cinnamon on top for added aromatic.
So there you go. Here's a little Tiki-inspired twisted cocktail called It's Always Sunny. Head on over to my website, www.evelynchickprojects.com, for more photos and detailed instructions.